Hello everyone, my name is the GMS Guru, and welcome to my new channel. And here, everything will be about Maplestory. Basically, I love Maplestory, it's a great game. I'm actually back from about a 2-year break, because I got really pissed off because I got hacked. And I was like, you know what, fuck this game, I'm out. And then I was like, you know what, I guess I'll come back. And so I came back, and it's very fun, actually. It's extremely fun, and just like this, I came back right in time for the 7th anniversary of Maplestory. So as you can see, in the background, there's a lot of shit going on right now, and people dying everywhere, and I just died right there. And like I said, I just came back, so there's no funding, nothing going on right now. I'm level 43, and I'm in Scania. So there's nothing much other than just nothing much really. So basically I want to explain this channel, and within this channel I'm going to be doing anything from tutorials to showing shit off that I'm going to be doing. And one thing that I was actually wanting to do was make a tutorial guide step by step showing that like a Mercedes from level 1 to 10, how to get there. Well, I guess that's automatic, but like Mercedes from level 2 to 30, or 20 to 30, 30 to 40, step by step, do like a little time lapse of me getting to that point, the training areas, maybe merching off people, how to get money easily, because I'm not funding this account at all. I'm going to be doing it strictly legit, and I want to show y'all how to do it, and the best ways to do it. And like I said before, I'm just a big fan of Maplestory, and if you are too, by all means, please subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be as active as I can. And if you're not a fan of Maplestory, you can go ahead and check the link in the description. And I have another YouTube account called MDX Gunner, and there I'm doing anything from how to get stuff for free, like Fraps or Camtasia Studio or Cinema 4D, to Minecraft Let's Plays and all that good stuff. So I'm going to be trying to balance out these two accounts, and I'm not doing this account just because people have asked me. I'm doing it because of that I like this account so much. So as you can see in the background, today is April 28th of 2012, and there's a huge event going on in Scania. And yeah, so just wanted to show this because I don't know, I got bored and wanted to make this account for a while now, and I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to do it, and just film this in the background as a little thing to watch for a little bit. So like I said before, if you're a fan of Maplestory or a fan of me, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and hopefully we'll have some more videos out in a little bit. So thanks for watching. And please enjoy the rest of this video. It's going to be a quick time lapse, and if you want to watch it, please continue to watch it. There'll be some cool music in the background, guys, so if you want to listen to that music, go ahead. And yeah, so I'll have the next episode up as soon as I can, and I don't know what it's going to be, but hopefully you'll like it. So thanks for watching again. See ya.